Hey, if you want to customize widgets on your Apple Watch Ultra 3rd generation, first of all just swipe up like so, scroll all the way down, and not that much, just for the edit button that is located over here, click on it once, and right now. If you want to change position of the widgets, let's say you want to get this UI information at the top, you will have to just get rid of it, and now you will have to search for it and add it as the latest one. Now it will appear as the first one. If you want to remove some widgets, you will have to click on this icon, the red icon that appears on the left upper corner of every widget window. And now we can also pin some widgets by clicking just over here. So this specific widget will be at the top. There we go. And you can add the multiple widgets if you want by clicking here, but sometimes this button is not working properly, so you have to just keep tapping for a few times, like in my case. And now as you can see, that's pretty much it. If you want to apply some changes, you will have to click here. And now as you can see, it is finished.